This video is sponsored by DYU EBIKes. Visit their website at www.dyucycle.com to check out all of their amazing products. Our friends over at DYU sent us this e-bike so the Royal Kennels family can give our honest review on it. That's pretty exciting, huh, bud?
Yeah.
So I have to admit, I was excited to receive it. Our kids was excited to receive it. We're excited about this video, and I guarantee you we're gonna give you our best review on this product. The package is very good. Grab the front. DYU Smart Electric Bike C2. So it comes with a very nice instruction. All the parts, the bike is very heavy duty. Comes with a nice cable lock, nice good seat. The quality is nice, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna read out the specifications. So the gross weight is 29.6 kgs. It's 55.9 inches long. Net weight is 23.6 kgs. The max load is 120 kgs, 264 pounds. The frame material is magnesium alloy. It sounds fancy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What you think, bud? The handlebar width is 20 inches wide. Oh, from your pedals to the ground, the clearance is 4 inches. Ah, that's pretty cool. It goes up to 15 miles per hour. It's a high-speed motor, 350 watt, 48 volt. It's a power lithium battery, 48 volt. Charging time, 4 to 5 hours charging time. And the range, how far do you think this bike can go on one charge? 18 miles. If you're in the city, this is a game changer. All right, let's see. All right, grab this guy. Alright. How to operate: press and hold, let the screen come on, just like we did to turn it on.
Yep. Let's see.
Wow.
And that starts it?
No, they don't start. Your brakes.
There should be a light too.
There's a, I guess we gotta tighten this up. Well, it looks upside down. So, okay, you got a sports mode. Oh, power is off, no motor. That's the sports mode. You got a throttle with a 1, 2, or a 3 twist. Okay, so it's got 3 different gears. Oh, 3 different miles per hour too. At 1, it's at 9 miles an hour. At 2, it's at 12 miles per hour. And at 3, it's 15.5 miles per hour. Recommended tire pressure is 35 to 45 psi.